Good evening, this is Brian Shannon from AlphaTron's Blogspot. It's Thursday, the 29th of March, 2007, and we're going to take a look at some stocks for trading on Friday. I'm not really convinced about this market yet, but I couldn't find any good short setups either. So I've got just three longs here that we're going to look at for tomorrow. And let's go ahead and get started with aQuantive Corporation, or Incorporated, symbol AQNT. You can see the stock is above its 10, 20, and 50-day moving averages, which were all rising. And it looks to me like the stock ought to go probably up to, well, we'll take care of the target first, I guess, which would be 28.50. But I think it'd probably get even up to this 29 level, where you can see that we've had this numerous attempts over the last 6 months or so to get past that area at the 29 level. So if it does get past 29, I think there could be a bigger move in store here. You can see the stock's basically done nothing for a little more than a year, about a year and a half. So getting above 29 could lead to bigger things. But let's take a look at the shorter term picture and take a look at what we're looking for. The stock did get a little bit extended later in the day, so I'd like to see it pull back to about 27.45, and then to buy it on strength as it moves above 27.50 or 27.50. So pull back first to 27.45, buy it on strength above 27.50. We put our stop down at about $27.28, and that would give us a risk of 22 cents, and obviously a dollar of potential upside if it makes it up towards that 28.50 level, which is our target for now, right in here. FLIR, F-L-I-R, is FLIR Systems. This stock on a weekly time frame, you can see that it's been holding above what's looked like multi-year resistance in here at near 34, and these are all-time highs as well. So I'm surprised we haven't looked at this thing on Wall Street yet. But anyways, the stock looks bullish to me. And if you look at it, again, another example of a stock that had a late day rally with the rest of the market. So let's look for a little bit of a pullback, just to 35.20, not really much of a pullback at all. But if it pulls back to 35.20, then we want to buy it above 35.30. Our stop would go at 34.76, which is below the afternoon low. And that's pretty far away. So once it gets, let's say, once it gets up to 35.50, let's raise your stop so that you're only got about 5 or 10 cents of risk. There's no reason to keep it way down here. So once you buy it at 35.30, if it makes it to 35.50, raise your stop to break even, let's say. So once you get 20 cents in this stock, don't give it back and take a loss. That'd just be dumb. So anyways, we'd be looking for a target in this case of about $36.50 on FLIR. And that'd be $1.20 away. Our initial stop is 54 cents, but hopefully we can reduce that pretty quickly. MGAM is the symbol for Multimedia Games, and you can see here that the weekly time frame, it broke past some resistance on a nice move last week. Looks like it's still got room, probably up towards $13 a share. Again, though, our target's going to be more conservative. We'll just look for a test of this high here at about $12.50 a share. And to buy this stock, it's a simple breakout play. Above $11.90 is where I think you want to buy this stock. We could put our stop just below this low here, which is $11.70. So that'd give us just a risk of 20 cents. And if it's our target of $12.50, that'd give us 60 cents of upside for a 1 to 3 risk-reward ratio.